With the entry of Ted Bailon, the programming lineup of TV5's radio arm Radio 5 is set to change. According to political source, Bailon's morning show will run for 4 hours. The following hosts will be bumped up: Orly Mercado, Cheryl Cosip, Bruce Rivera, Jesus Falces, Christine Bersola, and Theodore Te. According to reports, Bailon will be co-hosting his Radio 5 show with DJ Chacha. DJ Chacha was among those left jobless due to the retrenchment at ABS-CBN.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.